Okay, what's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Okay, this video basically dive into what is Forex market. Okay, so basically by introduction to Forex market, I'm gonna cover everything that you need to know. Okay, but before that, suppose you want to manage all of Facebook, negare mul schema also come in lo inbox. Now about talking you lo like maybe make some loss of the video, but anyway, so about talking you invest like 500 kina. Okay, and within 24 hours you're gonna gain like 20,000 or like 10,000. Okay, this is going, I'm gonna say this is real. Okay, this is real, but you don't have to invest. Okay, you don't have to invest in some random person. Okay, you as a person, you have the power to control your own money. You have the power to see how your money is grow or not. Okay, so long story short, let's dive into the video. Okay, this is what we're gonna cover in this video. Okay, so first of all, we have what is Forex. Okay, what is Forex? We're gonna cover what is Forex, who can trade Forex. Okay, who can trade Forex? Is that a big institution, banks, or you and I as well? Okay, we're also gonna cover in this video. Okay, next is the requirement to trade Forex. Okay, there are some requirements that you have to meet to start trading Forex. Okay, so the next is how to join Forex. Okay, so there is a middleman as well, so we're gonna cover in this video as well. Okay, and then lastly is important note, which is you have to stick till the end of this video to understand more about some important risk that you should also know as well. Okay, so what is Forex? Okay, so Forex, this word here you can see this Forex, it simply means foreign exchange. Okay, you see that? So Forex here, it simply means foreign exchange. So basically we are trading currencies. Okay, currencies like USD, Euro, and GBP, British Pound, Euro Dollar, and USD or US Dollar. Okay, so there are lots of currencies out there, but we just stick with the intro. Okay, so this is Forex. Okay, the next is we have the Forex, or inside the Forex, it's the largest financial market in the whole world. Okay, so inside the Forex, it consists of $6 trillion daily. Okay, now it's la figure so one tap, or it's la figure like increase or like decrease. Okay, so it's la figure, it's always here. Okay, so within 24 hours it's la figure increase or decrease. All traders come inside him click parts all this la whole 6 trillion, or traders come chat all come trade or click salili up all out all naraba trader come chat all come fix him this la space where all naraba trader kiss him. So this figure never change. Okay, so it's been there and it will always be there forever. Okay, suppose you want to blow up money, you can make 1 trillion one day. Anyway, so next is you trade currency pairs. Okay, so basically we are trading currency pairs. Okay, for example, Euro USD means Euro versus US dollar. Okay, so Euro is the base currency and USD is the code. Okay, so it simply means that suppose you buy Euro versus USD, that means that you expecting value below Euro low increase. Okay, so suppose you purchase Euro, which you buy, that means that you go for Euro, so which means you expecting value below Euro low increase, while USD value mass decrease. Okay, so that's basically the simple term that you should understand. So next is who can trade Forex. Okay, so is it institution, employee, employer, unemployed people, uneducated people, ordinary people, or ordinary people? So basically it's all of them. Okay, everyone can trade Forex as long as you meet some requirements, which is we're going to cover in the next slide. So let me remove this one. So here is me explaining, like give some little brief overview, okay, just some brief overview so that you can understand how you can trade Forex as an ordinary person. Okay, so this is you. Okay, see here, this is you. Down here, this is the broker. Okay, now you and I, we don't have millions or thousands of dollars to trade straight into the market. Okay, we only have, let's say, $10, right? So this is $10 we have, or let's say up to like $20 to trade this market. Okay, so this is you and I. Okay, so while we don't have enough money to get or direct into the market, we go through the what we call broker. Okay, through the leverage. Okay, so when we open a trade, broker get the loan. Okay, broker get the loan and then they place the trade for us. Okay, you understand what I'm talking about? Okay, while big institution, okay, this is a big institution, go to what they call interbank market. Okay, so interbank market, this is where the big institution, they go in there and they trade Forex with the other institute. Okay, so you and I, as an ordinary person, we are taking the pieces. You can see, like Mr. Goli sa liligabe. It's a lick with mission is a calagolo white board. Yeah, so look, it's a little up mitupla all retail traders. All big institution pokol midlaw sem retail traders. Okay, so mitupla kami chalo forex market you look up mitupla sa click area mitla ba benefit them. Okay, because midla no big plan money law sim. And by the way, even though you have enough money, you cannot even take the whole area because it's too big. And there are some research as well going on. They said none of the traders remove the 6 trillion from the market. So that's basically you and I. Okay, so mitubla stalia milan okay enough money logo access in forex market, so midla go through law broker. Okay, midla go through law broker, midla open him trade midla and broker him loan law according to the leverage, and then they place our trade somewhere here. Okay, so they find, for example, suppose me placing one trade open. Okay, what brokers do is they're gonna find another person like me as a retail trader. Looking mo Islam naralaman to him and buy more. I'm selling. Okay, suppose me buy him and buy looking Islam so I'm selling, then they're gonna match us together. Okay, so if me win, that person by lose. Okay, which me by losing money blame. Okay, suppose him win or me lose and by winning Islam money where me let them open him law opposite position. Okay, so we're gonna get more into that. Okay, this video is just introduction. Okay, requirements to trade forex. Okay, yeah, requirements to trade forex. Okay, you need an ID, driver license, or passport. Okay, this is to verify your KYC. Okay, know your customer. So you have to have either one of these: an ID, driver license, or passport. One blah blah blah. Triple, you must guard law trading forex, or you must guard law or trade law big blah forex market. Okay, so next is proof of address. Okay, it can be bank statement, bill, receipt. Tingin may sa ko ba yung power bill number, maximum receipt. Abagarim slol bank statement, which is you must also got. That's a proof of address. Next is Visa card or Mastercard. At least you must go block Visa card or Mastercard law. Make him deposit na withdraw out of your broker. Okay, so it's very important to get the right broker so that you are not scam. Okay, it's very important. I'll pin the broker that I personally use in the pinned comment section or description of this video. You can check it out. And if you start your demo, if you wanna start right now, but don't do that. Okay, don't do that until you at least get some knowledge, and then you can start. Next is at least you must like 18 years and above. Okay, 18 years and above to qualify for start trading forex. Okay, next is how to join forex. Okay, to join forex, me explain finish. You ba so you start waiting me explain another way. Then you come through the broker, and broker will place your trade in the forex market. Okay, so you come to the broker, and broker will place your trade in the forex market. Okay, so we all big institution, and we as a retail trader, we all trade on the same market. Okay, that's why you're gonna see some traders gonna hold when the big boys come in, they're gonna push the price like way more than you ever expected. So okay, so this la how to join him forex. You have to find a broker, and then you register, and then you start your demo trading or start your journey. But before that, you have to like learn him as much as you can before you start. Okay, so I'm gonna drop more videos on this channel, so if you're not a subscribe, and you're not gonna missing out. Okay, so next is important note, which is our final notes here. Okay, this is not get rich scheme or financial advice. Okay, so every information I share is for educational purposes only. Please do your own research before you take any action. Okay, so when it comes to forex, yes, you can make a lot of money, but you can also lose a lot of money as well. Okay, so don't do it. Oh, I'm gonna get into the forex right now and I'm gonna get rich like overnight. No, that's not how it works. Okay, you have to understand how the market works. You have to understand what each candle means. Okay, at least basically you understand all the basic terms, and then you can proceed on with the trading. Okay, so I think that's all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, or if I'm still confused, or me not covering some video or me too rough so it's like, please let me know in the comment section. It will be so helpful for me. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Peace out.